Your crush just texted, "Let's meet up tomorrow." And your brain does the one thing it always does in a crisis.
Oh my God, what is that?
It panics and opens YouTube.
2,000 years later.
You've watched 1,000 videos about $80 serums and clinic facials you cannot afford, and you're no closer to a plan. You just traded your prep time for a content coma. Here's the thing, you don't need money for this. You need a system. And I'm about to give you the exact one I use, broken into 3 hours, $0, maximum results. By the end of this, when your crush sees you, the reaction isn't going to be, "You look nice." It's going to be, "Wait, what did you do?" Even if nobody's texted you yet, save this. Someone will. Let's get into it, babe. Here's the plan, broken into 3 blocks. Hour 1, skin and hair. Hour 2, body, teeth, nails. Hour 3, the outfit and the one thing that actually makes all of it land. Most girls stop at hour 2. That last hour is the difference between put together and unforgettable. Let's start. Let's start with skincare. Forget the 15-step Korean routine. Today we're doing what I call the broke queen routine. Same glow, 0 steps you can't afford. Cleanse first, get the grime off, then rub ice cube to the face. Instant depuff, instant who did her skin energy. If you've got rice, make rice water, free and it works. Moisturize even if it's your mom's cream you definitely didn't borrow. 4 steps, $0. Glowing skin either way. But skin's only half the story. Because if your hair doesn't match the effort, people notice the mismatch before they notice the glow. Then hair care. Hair is 70% of a glow up, and almost nobody treats it that way. Shampoo twice, once for the oil, once for the guilt. If you're feeling brave, mix egg and oil into a mask. Yes, it smells weird, trust it anyway. Dry with a microfiber towel, not a regular one, unless breakage and a mental breakdown in the same day sounds fun. Trim the split ends you're emotionally attached to. Throw in a cute style, and hour 1's done. Perfect skin and questionable smell do not coexist, so hour 2 starts here. Mix sugar and honey into a scrub, rub gently, dead skin, gone, shave if you want to, sharp razor only unless you're trying to recreate a crime scene. While your skin's still damp, lock in lotion or baby oil, spritz on perfume. You are now officially a walking glow up. But a glow up with bad breath isn't a glow up, it's a warning label. Floss first, whatever comes out is going to humble you. Brush for 2 full minutes, not 20 seconds of vibes. Scrape your tongue, that's actually where bad breath lives. Swish mouthwash for 30 seconds. Then a quick sugar and honey lip scrub followed by Vaseline. Plump lips, $0. But darling, here's a stat that'll haunt you. People notice hands before they notice makeup. Crusty nails can undo everything else you just did. Scrub with an old toothbrush. Yes, under the nails too. That's basically a crime scene under there. Cut and shape, clean nails alone already look expensive, polish or not. Add polish if you have it. Finish with cuticle oil or hand cream. Hour 2, done. You cannot carry confidence in wrinkled clothes. The outfit is where all of this either pays off or falls flat. Pick whatever makes you feel like your best self. Iron it, crease-free, wrinkle-free, drama-free. Add 1 piece of jewelry or an accessory. Small detail, big difference. Put it on, look in the mirror. You already look like the main character. But here's what almost every glow-up video skips, and it's the actual reason most of them don't work. You can do the skin, the hair, the outfit, all of it perfectly. But if your mind isn't convinced, none of it lands. This is what I call the invisible step, the one nobody puts in a tutorial because you can't put it in a thumbnail. Stand in front of the mirror, say, "I am the best," out loud. Yes, it'll feel cringe. Do it anyway. Because your glow up isn't finished until your attitude catches up to your face. That's the full system. Skin, hair, body, nails, teeth, outfit, and the invisible step most people skip. But none of this works if you close this video and go right back to talking to yourself like you're not enough. So here's the one thing I need you to do. Comment, "I am the best," right now. Not because it's a trend, because your brain doesn't know the difference between something you believe and something you keep repeating. It just listens. Every time you type those words where people can see them, you're not just saying it. You're becoming someone who believes it. Type it. Own it. Let your crush, your friends, your future self see it. Because tomorrow, when you walk in looking like this and someone says,
Wow, you look so beautiful today.
you're not going to be surprised. You're going to know you already told the whole internet you were the best.
Yeah, I know.
And you were right. See you in the next Glow Up, babe.